I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting now? Confirm you have AirPods Pro, Max, or 3rd Gen AirPods, and make sure your iPhone is on the latest iOS. Put the AirPods in your ears, unlock your phone, and open Control Center. Once done, check Bluetooth settings to verify the AirPods show as connected. This link is required for noise controls to appear. You don't need to open any apps first. Making the device connection is the first actionable step, so the system can expose noise cancellation options. Next, open Control Center and press and hold the volume slider until the expanded audio card appears. You'll see noise cancellation options. Tap noise cancellation to enable active suppression, or choose transparency if you need ambient sound. Alternatively, go to Settings Bluetooth, tap the info icon next to your AirPods, and select Noise Control there for the same choices. Do this because Control Center is faster, while Settings lets you confirm the active mode, and its effect on battery life and microphone. Finish by checking fit. A proper seal improves ANC performance, so try different ear tips until background noise drops. Make sure your AirPods have charge and the firmware is current by keeping them near your iPhone. If noise cancellation still doesn't engage, reset the AirPods and repair them. Put them in the case, hold the setup button until the light flashes, then reconnect. This reset is the key troubleshooting tip. It clears pairing glitches that often block noise control functionality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.